Today, we're making a delicious and easy bread pudding that is soft, creamy, and perfect for dessert. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 6 slices of bread, 2 cups of milk, 1 2-cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons raisins, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts. First, cut the bread slices into small pieces. Place them in a bowl and set aside. In another bowl, add 2 eggs, sugar, and vanilla essence. Whisk everything together until well combined. Now add the milk, melted butter, and cinnamon powder. Mix until smooth. Pour the prepared milk mixture over the bread pieces. Gently mix and let the bread soak for about 10 minutes. Add the raisins and chopped nuts, then mix again. Grease a baking dish with a little butter and transfer the bread mixture into it. Bake in a preheated oven at 180°C for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top becomes golden and the pudding is set. Once baked, let it cool slightly. Cut into pieces and serve warm. For an extra delicious touch, you can drizzle some caramel sauce or serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And that's it! Your easy and delicious bread pudding is ready. Soft, creamy, and full of comforting flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy recipes.